Hey friends, if you encounter this error, display driver failed to start on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now it leads to a black screen, so what can you do about it? First of all, at the hardware level, you can try to get the uh, graphics card reseated or something. And if that doesn't work, then try to boot it in the safe mode. We have a separate video on this. Now, once you are into the system somehow, the real solution is to update the graphics card drivers. There's no other solution. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. So this is what we have to do. And this is the real solution. But other than this, you can also try updating Windows. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.